Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor, lived in a cozy green castle. His best friend was Sparky, a small purple dragon with big friendly eyes. Sparky had a secret. He was afraid of his own hiccups. Whenever he went, hic, little white clouds popped out of his nose and floated away. One sunny morning, Sparky and Sir Reginald were playing in the royal garden. Bright red flowers bloomed everywhere, and a sparkling river gently flowed nearby. Suddenly, Sparky felt a tickle in his nose. Hic! A small, fluffy cloud appeared and drifted into the blue sky. Sparky's face turned pink. "Oh dear," he mumbled, feeling embarrassed. Sir Reginald, who was admiring a buzzing bumblebee on a sunflower, turned around. He saw the little cloud, and then Sparky's worried expression. "What's wrong, my friend?" he asked kindly. Sparky sighed. "It's just my hiccups, Sir Reginald. They make silly clouds, and it's embarrassing." Sir Reginald smiled. "Silly? I think they're wonderful." Suddenly, an idea sparked in his eyes. "Sparky, look!" He pointed at the fluffy cloud floating above. "It looks a little bit like a bunny. Don't you think? With long floppy ears." Sparky looked closely at the cloud. He giggled. "It does. It looks like the fluffy bunny that hops around the castle." Just then, another tickle. Hic! Another little cloud popped out. "Oh no," Sparky said, but Sir Reginald was already pointing. "That one looks like a little bird. See its tiny beak." Sparky started to have fun. Hic! A new cloud appeared. "That one's a funny-shaped fish," he exclaimed, laughing. Sir Reginald clapped his hands. "You're making a whole sky full of cloud animals, Sparky. You have a very special hiccup." Sparky kept hiccuping, and with each hic, he and Sir Reginald would imagine a new shape in the fluffy cloud. There was a cloud that looked like a silly frog with big round eyes, and another that looked like Sir Reginald's brave horse, Buttercup, with a long flowing mane. By the end of the afternoon, the sky was full of whimsical cloud creatures, all thanks to Sparky's hiccups. Sparky wasn't embarrassed anymore. He learned that even something he thought was silly could be special and fun. Sir Reginald smiled, happy that his friend was no longer afraid. He knew that everyone has something that makes them unique, and those things should be celebrated. As the sun began to set, painting the clouds with pink and orange colors, Sir Reginald pointed to one last cloud that looked like a giant smiling whale. "Do you know, Sparky," he said, "that clouds are actually made of tiny, tiny drops of water floating in the air, just like your little hiccup clouds." Sparky's eyes widened with wonder. He had never thought about that before. He looked at his cloud creations with a happy heart, proud of his special cloud-making hiccups.
Please subscribe. Thank you.